Hi there, knife people. Hello, lady and gentlemen. One comment ticked me off. A person commented on my video where I criticized this humongous box that all of the Benchmade water series knives come in. And it is my own fault because in the original video, I was just talking about the uselessness of this. But really, what ticked me off about this packaging is how much trash, literally non recyclable, non-erasable trash Benchmade has created by making this almost a pound heavy box. And that's what I was really getting at, but stopped short in the video of saying. Because you know why? Because I bought it and I'm embarrassed that I actually put my money. I wanted to review it for my channel. I put my money in that box, and that's why I'm embarrassed about it. And so this person who commented saying something about marketing and how Apple raised to the top of the world by putting their phones in nicer boxes than anybody else. Let me show you an Apple phone box. And here's an Apple phone box. Yes, very pleasant to touch, high quality cardboard, beautiful packaging. You open it up. What do you see? Cardboard, paper, very thin layer of plastic. Can't avoid that. Paper, completely recyclable. You see that symbol here? That means this thing doesn't end up in the ocean or forever in the junk field. Here's what Benchmade is. Go ahead, help me find a recyclable symbol anywhere. It's not on here. I looked. Trust me. They put in this polyester or whatever it is. You know, everything about this is trash. Trash, dense foam, polyester, polyester felt. You know, this thing weighs. This box weighs 12.3 ounces. 12.3 ounces of trash. And don't tell me that somehow you can recycle most of it, because to separate this would take time and labor, and nobody at recycling centers will have. So it will be at best mulched and lay in a landfill forever, or worse, end up in the ocean. So let me sum it up. Here you see that Apple set an absolute greatest example on how to package their products beautifully and responsibly. Only a few knife companies do the same. Kershaw and Spyderco only include small pieces of plastic bagging to protect their knives and shipping, and the rest is recyclable here. Now, I would suggest they look into using the same plastic that is used in dog poop bags, because eventually it biodegrades. Benchmade, ProTech, I would give them on a regular basis medium grade, because this is polyester, indestructible material, more plastic, and some of the packaging involves foam. And Benchmade, this stuff is toxic. Why can't you stamp it out of paper? Look at what Swiss Tech did. This is a Chinese company called Great Star, Hangzhou Star, that makes these knives for Walmart. Look at their packaging. Just as beautiful as that Benchmade box. Magnetic closing. This is, by the way, a $30 knife. And, or maybe $40 knife. And recycled cardboard. Look at this. And it holds a fixed blade knife beautifully. Presentable. You know, and shippable. So I don't understand. Microtech almost has it right, mostly cardboard. But this foam, is it really necessary? Why can't you just press it out of recycled cardboard? Like Swiss Tech. Probably same factory makes that box as this box. Here's a good example, Gerber. No problem. Cardboard, nothing else. Yeah, maybe not as attractive, but responsible. Lion Steel. I don't know if they're doing it on their own or is it some kind of European Union rule, but all of it is recyclable or recycled cardboard. See this? This is all corrugated cardboard that fits a knife, and doesn't cost me $30 because it's recycled cardboard. So, yeah. And then why do I think it's important? If you call yourself an outdoors enthusiast, hunter, fisherman, then you should totally be upheld, absolutely outraged by irresponsible behavior. I mean, we're in the 21st century. We all understand what that means to have trash islands floating in the ocean. So when the Benchmade puts up this commercial, what they don't show you, product like this leads to that. Yeah, so Benchmade marketing department decided that they will sell 10% more knives if they can be gift wrapped and presented to somebody as this grail gift. A, they're wasting $30 of your money at least on this box because of how it's constructed. Second, they're wasting a ton of natural resources to make this box. Third, to ship a large box like that costs a heck of a lot, and I'm not talking just dollars, in burned fuel, jet fuel.
Surprise you to learn that this has resulted in giant islands of trash forming in the oceans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a swirling vortex of trash that stretches some 618,000 square miles across. That's 3 times the size of France, my god. Also known as the Pacific Trash Vortex, this mega garbage patch is actually comprised of 2 islands of trash. The Western Garbage Patch, located near Japan, and the Eastern Garbage Patch, located between the US states of Hawaii and California. And the Great Pacific Garbage Patch isn't the only marine trash vortex, it's just the biggest.
This is a pollutant, this is an outrage. Companies that sell these knives are supposedly outdoor companies. Cabela's, Bass Pro Shop, Shields, REI. Are you listening? If you are selling outdoor product, would it be not in your best interest to protect the outdoors from this bullshit? Write a comment if you disagree, and then unsubscribe.